In this video, you will learn how BigWave is structured. Keeping this mental picture will greatly aid towards using BigWave in the most effective manner possible. A work order in BigWave tracks a single maintenance or install visit to a customer location. This could be anything, such as the installation of a point-of-sale terminal or the repair of a breaker panel. The work order captures everything associated with that activity, including documentation and billing. You might be familiar with terms such as ticket or job, and in BigWave, these are the same thing as a work order. A work order can start with a quote. This is an available but optional step in BigWave. Then, like you would find in any field service management system, you assign a person to perform a task on a specified date at a specified location. But this is where BigWave starts to diverge from other systems. A work order in BigWave, if needed, can have multiple tasks. For example, you might have a site survey, a step for procuring materials, a shipping step that ensures all of the materials are on site and ready for the install team. Then the installation itself, followed up by any cleanup activities that may have to occur. And BigWave allows multiple assignments to all of these activities, all in the same work order. Time and materials are easily entered by your technicians, and because BigWave is hyper-focused on generating invoices as quickly as possible, billing line items auto-generate and price directly from time and materials entries. From this, any invoice format can be generated. Each work order follows a status pipeline. In the B2B world, you often need to track different statuses for different customers. BigWave has the flexibility to enable this key feature, and you'll find this is missing in other software on the market. Other information is entered by your staff and technicians, including a comment thread, uploaded pictures and documentation, and custom fields. As information is entered, alerts and notifications are generated, keeping everyone that has an interest informed. If you survey BigWave's competition, here's what you run into. Each customer you have is stored as a record, and completed work links back to each customer. The problem is each work order is the same statuses, the same custom fields, the same everything. There's no flexibility that recognizes the reality of performing service work in the B2B world. BigWave recognizes the needs of doing service work in the B2B world. BigWave created a project concept that acts as a container for its underlying work orders. The project enables us to customize the delivery experience for each customer. Looking at the big picture inside BigWave, you'll have an entry for each customer in each of your customer sites, and then the projects for each customer that contain work orders. You should now have a good understanding of BigWave's structure and a general idea of how projects in BigWave tailor your service delivery for all your varying customers' needs. Thanks for watching, and if you would like to learn how BigWave can work for you, give us a call for a personalized demo.